Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of ConforMIS INC, and if you're looking at this stock, what you can probably see here is a consolidation what's been going on in this particular stock in the past couple of months, and now a probable breakout has already happened, or you can say yet to happen. Okay, so that's what we are going to discuss in the stock of ConforMIS INC. Now let me show you to you how the stock price looks like, and here we have. Okay, now in this kind of chart, one thing is very much clear. I would say it's very easy to identify the probable movement. Okay, whether it's going to be partial or not, that's the thing, that whether it will work out a complete way or a partial way. But yes, what we are going to find out that in this kind of stock, we can actually call a kind of I would say a foresightedness, and what's going to happen in this particular stock. Now, having said that, the way the stock has moved is something like this. Okay, now you have two most important support levels. So your first support level will come at $1, and your final support level will come at 60 cents. Now you can use $1 as your stop loss as well, but if somebody wants to take the risk, they can use 0.60, but don't go below 0.60, so that will be your final stop loss. Now the way the trend is moving, it is suggesting that the target that we are looking for in the upcoming weeks and months will be 1.47. That will be your first target, and afterwards it can extend up to 2.7 and 4.9 simultaneously. Right now we are not going beyond 4.9 because it's a big resistance. Now once the stock, let's say, sustain above $5 or $5.5, then we are going to reanalyze the chart, because it's going to give us how the trend has moved and what's going to happen in this particular price action. But yes, the way the stock is moving, it will definitely, the probability is very high that it will definitely retest 4.9 or $5 on the upside. Now the next company which I'm going to discuss with you is Rocket Companies. So Rocket Companies, I've talked about this stock in the month of September 2020, where it was quoting near, I suppose, 19 or $20 or so. Here you can see, because we don't have much data in this particular stock, so I think somewhere near $20, if I remember correctly. And from that level, a big move has happened after a span of 5 or 6 months. So this is what I'm saying in some, or actually most of my videos, or in the comment section as well, because we can talk about the trend and how it has moved, but it is very hard to tell when the trend is going to move, and when the big move will actually happen. So I mean, when I talked about the stock, I saw something in the trend that it's going to happen, and that has happened after a span of 5 or 6 months. So these kind of things are not possible. Okay, and if somebody is saying that I'm going to tell you that something is going to happen in X number of days or X number of weeks or months, it's just a matter of time that he's going to be lucky enough for some time, and some of the times it won't work. Okay, and if somebody is good in that, then best of luck for him or her, but that's not the way you can actually you can actually find out when the trend will move. Now in this chart of Rocket Companies, the stock has been moving in between 18 and $24, and after this big spurt, it actually surpasses $34 as well. Okay, now if you are looking at this move from $18 to $34, So how the way the stock has moved is something like this, because from this move to happen it actually takes 83%. Now because the stock is sustaining above 34.59 or $35 and in a big way, so it means technically it's a breakout, and the next probable target that we are going to look at will at least be 83%. So what we are looking at on the upside will be $63. That will be our next probable target. Now, one thing I will tell you, first of all, the stock must not fall below 34.59 or $34, let's say. Now, a breakout has happened with a big gap and big candle. So, the probability is there that it will go and retest its next high. But if any correction or short term consolidation occurs, it's going to be a normal one, unless it breaks below $34. Okay, so don't simply jump into a stock, and if you like jumped into a stock after this big spike and the stock started falling down, and if you are saying that what's happened, so you should know what's actually happened, because the stock has moved very sharply and it has actually moved, as you can see here, 120% in a span of a week. Okay, so any correction or short-term consolidation is welcome, but the thing is it should not break below $34 on the downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.